This is the right-hand side of the engine, the passenger side. This is where the stabilizing bracket goes. It uses a stud that's up on here that bolts in all the way. You'll see that. And it also mounts to the stud that's on the exhaust. You put an extended one here to mount it this way. We'll also have the EGR valve I'll be installing. And it fits right here. This is the bolt side for it. This is a stud to connect other hardware that you'll see later. And this is the bottom for the exhaust gas that comes from here. Or the gas, that's the intake, so it's not, yeah, it is exhaust, I think. No. I'll have to think more about that, but it goes right here. Okay. So let me go ahead and film this. You can hear the tornado sirens going. There's no tornado. This Wednesday. All right, let me put this together now. On the upper part here, we have a 1/2 inch stud. Using my 3/8 drive long, and I'm making it about that tight. With that, okay, we're going to set this end on and start to screw in the bolt. I'll go about that far. Now the bottom here is a 9/16. Well, oh, don't you know it? Orientation. I've spent an hour looking for the nut that came off of here, and I gave up. It should be in the garage. I looked for it. I used a magnet. Originally, I said, this goes on this direction. I was wrong. It goes on the opposite direction. This tapered down part goes first and fits right over the top. All right, let's see what I have in terms of sockets here. So before I do the sockets, let me get the nuts in. I tightened this one up earlier. That one is torqued. Here is a nut, a flat washer, and a lock washer. That's the best I can do. Alrighty. I still cannot believe I couldn't find that. Yeah, I had a little hissy fit, actually. hold on. Is this working? What's going on? Is this, okay, it's still working. All righty. And here was my screw here with the original plan. Is that gonna fit? Yeah, it's gonna fit fine. Okay, so there you go. Hardware can't move from there. I hope. Okay, there's that one. 1/2 inch, this is 9/16. All right, that is in. Moving to the slightly larger ratchet. I don't know, that's probably a foot or 12 inches long. I guess that is a foot. Okay, here's the bottom. Okay, and that's in. It's complete. We're good. I'm going to stop the recording.